Well, go on my viewers and subscribers. I hope you all are going through a positive phase in your life right now. In the realest way. Yeah, as you know, today is another beautiful day here in the tropics. Good morning. How are you doing? Alright, let me introduce you all to my two beautiful, talented, and smart nieces. Hi. Yeah. What is your name?
Azuri. I mean, I'm Jayla Oti.
Wow!
Jayla.
What's your name?
Azuri. Jayla Oti.
So it's Azori and Jahila Hati. Wow.
Whoa.
See that? See how my nieces, them smart.
Yeah.
In a realest way. Well, to be honest, this community is actually filled with smart children.
Yay!
Don't it?
Yay! Yay!
For real. Alright, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say see you another time.
See you another time. Mwah.
The reason why I come out of my house this morning, there's an artist that lives in the community. His name is Deal With It in a the realest way. To be honest, I'm more than one artist living in our community still, but this particular artist on him, Deal With It. I decided I'm going to give him a link on it. And you know, so the artist not even expect to see me right now. So when he see me, he actually going to be surprised. You know, I just give him a random check because he not expect me for forward and yard. I well want to see him react to it when he see me with the camera. I know say him me can link. That's the realest. You see me? Yeah man, so come on. So I can introduce you all to the artist. Deal With It. So the community where I live in, alright? It's actually situated on the hills, overlooking the city of Montego Bay. You should see what it looks like when the night lights are all on. Street light, house light, car light. Morning and respect. For real, I have to remember say the people them in my community, they don't really like to be on camera. And of course, I have to respect that in the realest way. Come go away. I'm here to call. You call me? You want me to come? I sound alright. Yeah, you know, we have to make sure so we all play our role where parenting is concerned, because in the realest way, if we don't take the responsibility of being the parents in the community, then who really go parent the next generation? What we really intend? What do we really intend for our children? Do we need the best for them, or we just want to see them as a last cause and always feel like things now go get better? When I look on the next generation, I see potential, I see brightness. Yeah. I see possibilities that are extremely endless in the realest way. And because of the state of mind I carry, it always compels me to continue to grow into a better individual. And the best thing is, I know you will do the same. You know why? Because actually they also spend the time with me. Well, while I'm expressing myself, you're there, you relate to me, we are connect, and that in itself is called that social bond. Yeah, we are bonding socially, even though I'm here standing in front of the camera and you are there viewing me. We are connect. Yeah, respect my brother. Thing good. For real, you know the artist on him Deal With It. Bless up. Eh? Where me can find him? What we call him again in our community? Papa. But Tall Life.
Tall right.
Tall Right. That's so much name in got. So the artist Deal With It is also known as Papa in the community. And also Tall Right. Yeah. So I try to find him in the morning, you know. As me I tell you, I introduce you to the artist and him Deal With It.
Bad the artist, man.
Yes, I'm bad.
Yeah, man, a tough artist, man, rough.
Eh.
Yeah, man, our ghetto artist, man.
And I really wait.
I must say him do a show up at your place.
Black and Ease when put on an event there.
Turbulence.
Oh God, man.
Yeah, man.
In the realest way. Well, watch you now.
Yeah, man. So,
you see, this is just a testimony to how talented Deal With It is. Because I can remember the night there. We deal with it.
yeah.
In the realest way. You get what I say? Yeah. And I don't think me able to catch him performance on camera because me watch you the dead night.
True.
You see me? But realest way as me tell you.
I look at you from down the gully. I look at you up there. Down so Lenky son.
I'm a Lenky son when the...
Yeah, I'm a Lenky grand boy.
When come up there night come perform.
Yeah.
Lenky grand boy. Why my artist name?
Well, my artist name.
Well, figure it out one of them day. Here. Yeah. Big up yourself.
Call me like this.
Yeah. Alright, so I just learn say the artist goes by the name Yes Papa. I really Yes Papa.
Yeah man, Yes Papa.
So, the artist actually goes by the name Yes Papa. On up on the gate right now. I'll see if in there in yard, you know. Papa! Anje! Where's your Papa na there? Alright. Tell him say Justin Blake when come give him a link here. Alright. Well, one of the reasons still why I'm saying I can link the artist in the morning is on the night when I see him perform up a Black and Ease event right up there, so actually right in the squarish part me live, that's where the event was kept. And the night, me I tell you the honest truth, when time you step up on the stage, how the youth deal with it. And I realize I feel like your artist name shouldn't be Deal With It, you see me? But I know my choice that for make still. So if him say him name Yes Papa, or Yes Papa the artist name. And me go find him and find out why him name himself Yes Papa. In the realest way, don't it? As me I tell you, on the night, the artist come up there, not even did book for you show, you just come up there. Because you don't know things there. It's a community, an event a go on in a community. Every young artist a come. The youth performance as a youth in a community where I don't even think you ever step in a recording studio. You see the way the youth perform, have control and crowd, commanding crowd, and the man lyrics them, and deal with it. Me say the whole place lift up. When me tell you say lift up, you remember the other day you feel the earthquake? Yeah, and the youth when I perform up there, so make you feel an earthquake there. In a realest way. So I introduce you to the artist there, today. When I'm bridging, saying go find him, so until he forward, we forward. In a realest way, the artist reach a foot.
Right there, sir.
In a the realest way. You see an artist where I look upon, the artist name
Ital.
Yeah, we have to cuss about it. We have to cuss about it. I don't mean I see a ton of people, sorry about that, but it's like I left from here so the artist name Deal With It. See? By the time I say so boom and reach close to the artist yard, but halfway the journey. Boom now, in pursuit of finding the artist neighbor actually I tell me say Papa, Yes Papa the artist name. When the artist really reach on my foot. The interview as you can see. The artist, what's the name again artist?
Ital.
Alright, so yeah, the artist I go through some name transition, which is understandable, you know?
Yeah, we are trying to sort of my name when we record.
In a realest way.
No, go on thing.
Alright.
I just go and work on Tony and go and put to the performance and you know, we can work with my style and thing and where people can, you know, relate to, but fully when I notice I deal with it, the people them love, so I just stick with the Deal With It and done. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because everybody know right now. So we can't change up the style. We don't feel out town. Where they like, we have to go work with. You see me?
In the realest way.
Right, let's say
you
that.
officially have confirmed, say.
Deal with it.
The community.
Know me as deal with it. So
Yeah, work with deal with
I
it.
work with the deal with it and done.
Yeah, man, is a youth a willing man. And the DJ name fit him right. Deal with it. Saying, if you want a jelly for pick, him go deal with it. If him get a day job, him deal with it. Right, yes, sir. Yeah, him no back from nothing. That's why we call him deal with it. But I one thing, I never see him a push war, you know. Peace and love, him deal with it. So you just give the name deal with it. Saying, just deal with it.
Kick it.
And I say, girl says she left me and gone. Girl says she left me and gone. My girl says she left me and gone. She gone, gone. She pack her things and gone. No one to hold in on my arm. She gone. She pack her things and gone. No one to hold on my palm. She take bad influence from Paulette and gone. Pack up her things and tell me say she gone. My body feel silly like when baby just born. And you know my pride girl guess what me mean. Treat me like a king and me treat her like a queen. Press up my pants and she put in my stitch. She give me nasal porridge come from soya bean. Stop going like you don't know the routine. Me take her to the movie, watch she dance all queen. She buy the popcorn, me buy the ice cream. Now that she got me a liver canteen. Hey, she pack her things and gone. No one darling on my arm, she gone. Hey, you know
You're not the
Let's way.
Peace I one where the Japanese stage show so people will know say when you from name time there. See me as a father, okay? I don't say I want camp, you see me?
Where say I request that?
I'm with up on the team deal with it to see me, man. I don't know Shepins, man.
Right, that's
How
all.
there, man? We say no joking, man. I'm booping
that's
head,
all.
man.
Right now. You're deaf.
Work hard, we have to work hard. Can't sit around and day in a yard. Work feet, we have to work feet. Every juvenile money, he out there will leave ya. Work hard, you have to work hard. Can't sit around and day in a yard. Work feet, you have to work feet. Every juvenile money. What you know? Hey. Me I tell her say life it no easy. Got me all about till it get cheesy. No friend me know get greedy. No friend me know get gun and go squeezy. Life it no easy. Life it no easy. So if you get to you believe me. Work hard, we have to work hard. Can't sit around and day in a yard. Work feet, we have to work feet. Every juvenile money he out there will leap. No joke. You know I got ready man.
You get to me I say, yeah, we don't really rinse it every day, you know, but at the same time a positive.
Yeah.
We have to You get to me I say? In the realest way. That's how we do it. We build with one another, we strengthen with one another.
Yeah.
You get to me I say? Yeah, you see when time we find the star them, where they shine, we not step on them, you see me, we not try to out the brightness. What we do is try to illuminate the light and make the light get brighter in the realest way.
Performance is a thing where every artist have to have. You understand? Because if you don't have that thing there, it don't make no sense go up on the stage. Because that's the people them want to see. You see me? Yeah, the energy, the movements, the lyrics, yeah, and the raving. That's the people them want. So me I tell every artist, all the artists that bust before me right now, me I tell them say, more performance and more votes. You know it go already. The way I deal with it, same way. We now go around the thing. I mean, I tell them, say, you know, where the money there? Where the money there? That the people them ask on the other day. That's why I not say JLP, no PNP. You know I want some style, them follow, yeah.
What you want to tell the people them right now?
Well, I just want to tell them, say, you know, just keep, say, deal with it, you know. Now let them down, you know. You see me, I say, positive thing, positive move, positive saying. You know I go already. Yeah, so I just respect to them people that see me. I respect to who now say deal with the same way. You know we not go around the thing though. I will say Justin Blake. Big up to the youth there.
We say black and talented now my father.
Right, yeah. Yes sir. I just want to know say yeah. You know worry yourself about nothing what go on, what slow or what fast, you know, cause what you know, don't give up. Everything go alright in here, you know what I say? Yeah, cause we look out for the old, we look out for the young, we look out for the poor, and we still look out for the rich. So you know we not switch, though? Big up on yourself. Every time. One love. Right there.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.
Me buy the ice cream. She buy the popcorn. Me buy the ice cream.